In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate PayPal payments into WooCommerce. We'll walk through the exact settings you need so your store can accept PayPal and card payments smoothly and securely. First, open your WordPress dashboard. From the left-hand menu, hover over Plugins and click Add New. Before installing anything, it's a good idea to create a full site backup or have an experienced WooCommerce developer handle the setup, especially on a live store. This helps you roll back quickly if something doesn't behave as expected. In the plugin search bar at the top right, type WooCommerce PayPal Payments. Look for the official plugin with WooCommerce and PayPal listed as authors. Click Install now, and when it's done, click Activate. This plugin is the bridge between your store and PayPal's services. Next, head to WooCommerce in the left menu, click Settings, then open the Payments tab. Scroll until you see PayPal and click Setup on the right. You'll notice sub-options like PayPal Checkout, PayPal Card Processing, and Webhook Status. Start with PayPal Checkout so you can enable PayPal buttons across your store. If you're testing, you can enable Sandbox mode to simulate transactions. For a live store, keep Sandbox off. Click Connect to PayPal and log into your account. If PayPal Payments isn't enabled yet, you'll be guided through a short application and instant approval. Grant the requested permissions, click Agree and Connect, and then choose Go back to WooCommerce to finish the link. Back in WooCommerce, enable the main PayPal checkout option. Now review the settings. Consider turning on instant payments to avoid e-checks that can take 3 to 5 days. Enable vaulting if you want customers to save their PayPal account for faster checkouts later, noting that some pay later features may be limited when vaulting is on. Turn on logging so you can review transaction logs if troubleshooting is needed. Pay later messaging is recommended to boost conversion by showing financing options right on your product and cart pages. Adjust button styles and messaging to match your brand. And if your theme includes a mini cart, enable PayPal there only if you truly need it to keep your site running efficiently. Click Save Changes. Now enable PayPal card processing. Return to the Payments tab, find PayPal card processing, and click Setup. Turn it on. Customize the title to something like credit or debit card, choose accepted card types, and configure 3D Secure for extra fraud protection. Save your changes. That's it. You've enabled PayPal checkout, enabled PayPal card processing, and configured key payment and security settings. Your store is ready to accept PayPal and card payments. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more PayPal tips and tutorials.